Divi theme is one of the most popular WordPress themes and visual page builders in the market right now. What I love about making websites using Divi, you can build custom web pages without any coding skills, and it comes with thousands of professional layouts for beginners to start creating amazing looking sites. In front of me right now, it's a fresh installation of WordPress. Let's go ahead and check out the home page before installing Divi. When we go to appearance, as you can see, I'm using the 2022 template. Let's go ahead and visit the site and see how it looks. So what we're going to do now, we're going to install a Divi on our WordPress website. To access Divi theme, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com or use the link in my description. So let's go back to WordPress and select Add New, Upload Theme, choose File, and select Divi. Okay, let's go ahead and select Install. Now that we're done installing the Divi theme, we're going to go to Activate the Theme. Awesome. As you can see, Divi is active. As you can see on the sidebar now, we have a new item. Let's go ahead and look at our website. Now, this is how it looks. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back to my dashboard. And the first thing I'm going to show you is how to change the logo. We're going to go back to the Divi. As you can see here, there is logo. You simply go to Upload, select Upload, and upload web creator logo. Select and save. Now let's look at the site. Bam. Now you can see the logo. For global settings, you just hover over here and go to theme customizer. This is where you can apply global settings to the site. Global fonts for your header, titles, all that stuff. Now we're going to go to header and navigation and go primary menu bar. Want to increase that logo size. As you can see here, you can see logo max height. Let's increase that logo size. Publish. Now it's time to start building with a Divi. Let's select exit and go back to our dashboard. Go to pages and let's delete these simple pages. And let's create a new page. And our page will simply be home. Instead of using the default WordPress blog editor, we're going to use Divi Builder. Let's save this page as a draft and select the purple icon, use Divi Builder. You will see a pop-up of 3 options. Here are the 3 options. Build from scratch. This means build your page from the ground up. Don't worry, you can access our pre-made layouts anytime while you're building. This one is for advanced page builders. The second one is choose a pre-made layout. Choose from hundreds of world-class pre-made layouts and clone an existing page. Let's say you already built a page, you love that page and you just want to duplicate. We're going to select the second option, which is choose a pre-made layout. This is the best way for beginners to build websites quicker and develop their web design confidence. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to select a category for our layout. Let's go with health and fitness. And as you can see, train with Maya. This is a great one for content creators, you know, Herbalife fitness content guys. Okay, let's go fitness trainer. In this layout pack, there's 8 layouts. There's 8 page designs. Your contact me, your pricing. This means you can use this one layout to create a consistent design for your contact pages, your blogs, all that good stuff. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to go to the home page layout. Awesome. And use this layout. Beautiful. All right, let's check it out on mobile. As you can see here, there is hovering to where you can switch to tablet view, mobile view. As you can see, the layouts are already optimized for mobile. Okay, let's go back to home. A quick introduction to page builders. We have sections, which is the parent, and then we have rows inside the sections, and then we have module elements can be text, it can be images, it can be video, it can be blabs, it can be forms. Those are elements inside the row. So these are settings. This image is applied to the section. It's best to use the section for background, and then you add a row to create your elements and build your pages. For example, if I can just drop a color here, boom, and delete this image, as you can see, now it has changed. Okay, let's change the color. Let's change the color. This is the tool we'll be using to build our websites. Okay, as you can see here on content, this is where you can customize the colors, the pictures, as you can see, the text, write new text. Let's undo right here. Okay, undo. All right, and here you can increase the size of this editor window. Okay, awesome. Let's put it aside and delete this. That is a section. As you can see, here's another section, and here's another section, and here's another section. Inside the section, I said there is rows. The green highlighted rectangle, that's your row. When you select plus on the green icon, you are adding a new row. When you select plus on the blue icon, you are adding a new section. A quick example, let's add a new section right now, and let's just select a regular section. Now we have a blank section. Hover over it, as you can see, it's blank, right? Inside, we can add a row. Okay, let's say we want to add text and image. We can use 2 rows. Okay, so this is a 2-row section. Okay, easily we can just say text on the left. So inside the row, we have modules. So that's how we bring in elements. For example, this is a text module. Okay, again, the gray plus, it's to add a new module. Blue section, green row, gray module. Under this text module, I can still add an image module. And on the right hand side, we add, let's say, a form. Now let's delete this. Now that you know what's going on, let's go ahead and customize this template real quick. We're just going to customize one section. Okay, when you hover over the gear icon, you are pulling up the editor. Okay, the editor, as you can see, it has body text. You can see train with Maya. Okay, we're going to say train with the Maya. This is where we can change text, images, all the content related stuff. And then there's a second tab, which is design. Here we can customize. Okay, so if you're familiar with HTML and CSS, the design tab, it's CSS. This is where we'll be styling things. For example, let's go to the heading text, and let's say we want to change the font, and we just select the font and just select a random font. Now the font is changed. It looks horrible though. Let's undo it. Okay, and let's say we want to change the color. We can change the heading text color right here. Awesome, I like that. And let's go ahead and increase the size of the text. We can increase the size like this. It was 5 viewpoint width. Let's go to 5 viewpoint width. Letter spacing, as you can see, this is where you can adjust your letter spacing. So if you're familiar with Photoshop and Canva, you will love building pages using Divi, trust me. Now we have a button here. Let's say we want this button to link to another page. You can simply go to this button. Check this out. You can change the text on that button. Book a call, for example. Let's say book a call. And button link, this is where you can type in the URL. If the button you wanted to go to your contact page, it's your domain / your contact page. But let's say we want this button to take someone to another section on the page. We can simply go #services, and we're going to change the call to action to learn more. And we're going to pick a section here. Okay, let's say it's this one. On the blue rectangle, you can just double click on it. That's another way to access the section settings. Okay, we're going to quickly go to advanced. We're going to go to CSS ID and classes, and CSS ID, and paste that services. Let's remove the hash. Okay, so the ID of this section is services, right? And on this button, our link is #services. Okay, so now let's exit the visual builder real quick. Now let's click on learn more and see what's going to happen. Okay, I'm not touching anything. Let's just click on it. Click. Automatically it slides to that section. Okay, another power of Divi is that it's a drag and drop builder. This means you can drag and drop elements from one section to another. Okay, for example, you can just drag this button right here and bring it here to this section, just like that. Done. Okay, and you know what, I don't feel like opening a section or module setting to edit this text. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to click on it just like I do on a Word document and say without the Maya, trade without the Maya. That's it. You've edited the text. Okay, just by clicking on it. The same thing with the subtext. You can just click on it once and edit the text. It's that easy. All right, let's scroll down. As you can see here, we can see here programs, exercise programs. Again, you can just click on it and edit that. Let's say you want to adjust the icon. As you can see, it's an image icon that you uploaded. You can simply go to design, image and icon to customize and change the color of that background. Awesome. Select, save, and that's how easy it is to use Divi. If you're new to the WordPress world and would love to polish your WordPress skills, please consider subscribing to the channel. That's it for me. I will see you in the next video.